Ever wondered if snoring means you're in deep sleep? Let's explore this common misconception together. Snoring occurs when airflow is partially blocked during sleep. According to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, it can happen in any sleep stage. Interestingly, deep sleep is characterized by reduced muscle activity. This means that while some people snore, they may not be in deep sleep at all. For instance, a study published in the journal Sleep found that many snorers experience lighter sleep stages. So, snoring doesn't guarantee restful sleep. In conclusion, snoring can occur in various sleep stages. It's not a reliable indicator of deep sleep quality. We trust this video was educational. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the sleep department at Enticare if you have any questions.